Hey everybody, it's Brett Fleming here at Pioneer Hay Sales. Thanks for watching the channel and keeping an eye on what we're doing here at the farm. So today is July 22nd. We're cutting second cut pure grass hay. We've actually had a really good stretch. So the last video that I made, I kind of updated everybody on the fact that we were doing starting second cut, we were doing wheat. We got really lucky with that last little run we had. There was a chance of rain. They were saying 40% chance of a 10th kind of every day. And luckily for us, we avoided all of that when we cut. And we were actually able to get quite a bit of second cut hay off. A little bit of it had to be dried. We were just like everybody else in the Northeast. We were dealing with wildfire smoke. Hopefully everybody's okay in Thunder Bay and in that area. I know there's a lot of damage, and it was a lot of hard work that our firefighters had to put up with there. But made it a little bit tougher for us to get the hay dry. But we were able to get quite a bit of hay off and in really good shape. So we're having another kind of great little run here. We've had a bit of a different year with weather. We had that first initial run of about 10, 11 days, no rain in the forecast. Did a lot of our first cut, and then it rained for almost 30 days straight. We weren't able to start on our rest of our first cut, which was the straight Timothy. That was all we had left. But the only good thing was it rained a lot, which made a really good, healthy second cut. Or in front, I got my GPS working here. This is what we're cutting, but you can tell right out the window that the windrows are pretty good. Color looks really phenomenal too. We'll have over half of our second cut already done. We were wrapped up that on Friday night, so that was the 17th of July. We were over half done our second cut. Today we knocked 150 acres down. Looks like there's a window, so today's July 22nd. It's a Wednesday. We're hoping to start baling on Saturday and wrap up this grassier hay on Sunday, and that will actually only leave us with 30 acres of hay that needs to be cut sooner than later. And actually, we're waiting on second cut Timothy. We haven't had a lot of rain, so we're a little worried about that for our regrowth for third cut. We do need a rain. They are calling for a rain Monday night, fingers crossed. But we have been in our exact acre area. We have been a little abnormally dry for the last 3 weeks. We've had little spots of rain, but it's never really been much more than a quarter inch or 3/10, so not enough to really get dry ground saturated enough to get the hay growing again. So got done wheat, we're wrapped up with that. It has been a good year. We did have one field of wheat that got a lot of hail damage at the end of June, which really did hurt our one field wheat yield. But we got a lot to be thankful for. It's been a great year so far. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to us. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram, and feel free to subscribe to us on YouTube. Really appreciate it. Thanks.